Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a trading room recap for Wednesday the 27th of August, and today was another interesting day in the markets. We pretty much had one trade and pulled 3.25 points out of the market and kind of watched things as they opened up. Market opened and then just rolled over and chopped its way lower. We were long up in here, and we ended up taking profits as the market did come up. And that was pretty much what we did today. It was one trade, very quick, pulled 3.25 points out, and that's what it was. You don't have to make 10 trades every day to make a decent income. Once you learn the methodology and you start scaling this method, you can make a whole lot more than just the 3.25 points that we made today. Let's see if you doubled what I trade, you would double that, or if you tripled it, or possibilities are really endless. Once you learn how to trade, you become a good trader, you start to scale. And that's where the real money is made. The website is set up to show people that it can happen, you can do it, and that's why I do provide coaching and stuff like that. I'm working on transforming the course a little bit so I can add coaching in that rather than just my huge coaching program. Because I'm trying to work on things that make it easier to learn how to trade, to become a trader, because it's very difficult. It's not easy, and no matter what anyone tells you, trading is not easy. If someone tells you you can buy a course and become a good trader in a month, they're lying to you. Because trading is definitely difficult. It's not an easy road to go down to learn how to trade. And that's why I relate it to becoming a brain surgeon. Every time I talk about trading, I talk about that just because it takes a while to learn. If you're going to become a brain surgeon, it's going to take you a long time. But then afterwards, you're going to make some good money because you're a brain surgeon. And, theoretically, you're really good at what you do. And if you're in the top 5% of brain surgeons, you're going to do really well. And trading's the same way. Once you become a professional trader, you're going to be in that top 5%. And, the money is what you make it. You don't have to put in 20 hours a day. You don't have to put in 16 hours, 10 hours a day. As a new trader, yeah, you're going to have to put in some time, definitely, to learn the business, because it's a difficult business. And most likely when you come in, you're going to have other baggage. You're going to learn things the wrong way, and you're going to create bad habits. That's the con of actually having to come in and learn it yourself, or thinking you can read some books and learn how to do it. You're really hurting yourself because you're learning bad habits. And most of the books that are out there are not really conducive to learning how to trade. They're just selling books. People trying to sell books. Not everyone's doing that, but most people are. And the bad ones give the good ones a bad name. But that's the industry. Most people are there to make money. Most people are not there to help people. Our society has changed a lot since I was a kid. When I was my grandpa could do a business deal by shaking a hand. Nowadays sometimes a contract isn't even good enough. It's crazy how the world has changed. But that's what it is. Most people aren't really concerned with other people and how they act. So with me, like, putting a little bit of coaching inside of the course rather than just do the coaching course and the other course separate, gives me a little bit of skin in the game. I'm there actually helping others, and seeing people succeed is a lot of fun. But trading is definitely difficult. It's not easy. You're not going to be able to become a trader in a month or two. It's just not going to happen. You can become proficient in less than 6 months. But you're not going to turn 10,000 into $1,000,000 inside of a year if you've never traded before. It's just not going to happen. That's the harsh reality. But anyway, I wanted to talk about that a little bit because that's an important topic. I've been getting some emails on that, and I wanted to answer it. Not a great answer because I know that I can talk about this subject for days and days and days. It's very, very important. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of it. It made some sense to you. You can always leave comments below. And, definitely you can keep the emails coming. support@abusinesswithtrading.com. Thanks a lot. Have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.